People don't realize how important it is how you live each day. And when people see what you do every day and that you're consistent and that means something and that it's tied back to a love for Christ, then that's something that they would desire. I'm Gary Neidig, and I've been here 39 years.
I'm Joel Neidig, and I've been here for 13 years.
Itamco began as a tool and die manufacturer, which then progressed into precision machining and then eventually into gear manufacturing.
We use technology to develop manufacturing products, whether it's with our precision gearing or precision machining. All the technology that goes into that is what we bring to the table.
My uncle and my father started the company. My father was just graduating from college at the time, and they wanted to go into business together, so they started Indiana Tool. I'd have to say the fondest memories of working at Itamco has been the fact that I've been able to work with my family. And that not only my father and my uncle, who were great mentors, spiritual giants, they never gave up. Every day was another new challenge. And even though we might have some issues that occurred during that day, we were still family. And very fortunately, I was able to work with my brothers as well. And now I'm working with my sons, daughters, nephews, nieces. All of us have made the decision that we're not going to allow the business problems to ruin our family relationship. A lot of families can't do that, but we really have enjoyed doing that together. Over the years, we've employed over 30 Bob Jones students, and those students have all shown a competency in their field of interest. Their integrity and their work ethic were the things that those set them apart.
BJU's values align with our values, so being successful here is just following those values that you're taught at BJU.
Anytime anybody asks me about my education at Bob Jones University, I always tell them I got the best education I could have possibly gotten. I've never felt intimidated when I've interacted with any other college graduates because I feel like my education prepared me completely.
About 7 years ago, a professor at the University of Notre Dame noticed our applications on the iOS App Store and decided to contact us and said we should start doing research projects together. Since then, we've been doing about 5 or 6 research projects.
Approximately 10 years ago, we began an initiative to go into more government research and government contracts. And during that process, we realized that the commercialization of a lot of that research was a viable business plan for us. And so we have began that process of doing startups and spin-offs of the company with those technologies.
Back in 2016, I had the opportunity to speak at the White House and was invited by the National Economic Council to speak on the advanced manufacturing technology that we've been developing here at Itamco. I spoke on the industrial Internet of Things and how we're connecting our factory for the 21st century. I'm making a difference for Christ in my work. I'm able to connect with people that all around the world, travel to different countries and around the US, and meet all kinds of different people from different cultures and explain to them where I come from and my background and my worldview and give them the biblical view. And a lot of that came from when I was at Bob Jones and learning about, in the business world, how to interact as a Christian.